Okay, so in this problem, we are given an encoding matrix A, a decoding matrix A inverse, and a message to encode, which I called E, which is stay well, and it's given by this matrix. So that's like STAY space WELL. And to encode it, all we're going to do is we're going to multiply A by E. So that's going to be 1, 3, -1. -1, 0, 0, 0, 2, -1, and 19, 21, 25, 0, 25, 5, 12, 12. So just multiplying these matrices together is going to give us our encoded message. So that's going to be let's do the first row and the first column. So 1 times 19 is 19 plus